Okay, so today I'm gonna talk about. Alright, this vlog I'm gonna talk about the making the iPad fixed. So today I heard the news is good news. That we're going to we're going to fix the iPad Monday next week. Next Monday. So yeah. Yeah, and so yeah. And yeah, tomorrow I believe is tomorrow will be Friday. And yeah, so now talking about a Friday, hopefully there's a Friday nightclub this week, but I don't know. If not, then I'm not sure. But anyway, so uh so yeah, this is that's how I talk about the Friday night club, and yeah, and this is oh boy, so tomorrow, it's Friday. I'm going to work, then I'm gonna come back tomorrow. So, yeah, Friday, yeah, then tomorrow Friday. Today's Thursday, tomorrow will be Friday, and then then after Friday comes Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday. Yeah. So hey, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's 4 more days. We're gonna get the iPad fixed. Woohoo! Yeah. Thumbs up. Double thumbs up. Yeah. So, let me tell you. Last year. See what happened? The iPad. I broke it. Yeah, last year I was upset about something. I don't remember what it was about, but anyway. But so yeah, I'm going. So this year, one across the street. It took longer, man. Yeah, but we found another place, so that's good. Me and my dad found another place. Yeah, in Kenmore. Fix the eye. So yeah, hashtag fix the eye. So yeah, fixing iPad on Monday, next Monday. Next Monday, yeah, next Monday. So yeah, so yeah. Anyways, yeah. This is um this is so yeah, so um that's Whoa, so okay, that's for yeah, and yeah, I miss iPad. So yeah, whew, so sweaty. Oh, God, lots of sweat. Can't wait for the fall. Well, I love the summer too, but looking forward to fall. So yeah, um, so shall we get there? So Newberry Comics. We might go to Newberry Comics. Well, soon, anyways. Yeah. So this is that is the vlog. So yeah. So um Go to Bed Productions, my YouTube channel. Um yeah, so follow me um on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, um all kinds of stuff. And yeah, stay tuned. Devlin Sumner in the house, signing off, and a bless.